Hey everyone, it is Mom Hack Monday. Yay! The week is just starting. So today we're going to give you some recipes to diffuse that are like spa smelling. Don't do that. And so there's a couple different ways that you can utilize these and to get the spa-like feel and also respiratory support. You can always use a diffuser in your bathroom. It's like a standard in our house, especially in the guest bathroom. And so you'll just add water. I'm going to show you and put what diffuser recipe you want in there to get the smell that you personally enjoy. Now, another way you can do it when you want to add kind of the spa smell without a diffuser, especially when you take a shower, is you get a wet washcloth. So you get a washcloth like this, and you get it all wet with warm, hot water. Really hot water is probably best. Then you add anywhere between 3 to 5 drops, take it in the shower with you, and put it where the steam is hitting it, but not directly under the water. Because if the water hits it directly, it'll rinse the oils out. But the steam hits it, and it definitely makes your shower very fragrant. So that's just a way to do that without a diffuser. So let's talk about diffusers. Shiloh, can you show them our favorite diffuser here in the back? Show them. Don't pick it up. Is this one of your favorite ones? All right, so this is the Desert Mist Diffuser by Young Living. Any diffuser that you buy from Young Living actually comes with a tangerine and peppermint, and it's like a steel. This specific diffuser is one of my favorite ones. So I'm gonna grab an empty one because we have multiple, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. You got that part? Here, can you hold this piece? Yeah. All right, so it comes apart in 3 different pieces. You're gonna have this piece, which is where you're gonna put your water. So you add water to it, and it goes until there's a line. I don't know if you can see it, the line. Then you're gonna add, I always add a little bit of witch hazel into mine because it helps with hard water buildup. You can always use distilled water, and that also helps prevent it, but we just don't do it. So, and then we're gonna add essential oils into it, and then we're gonna show you how to finish putting it all together. So, the first recipe you can do is orange, peppermint, what's this one? RC, lavender. So this combination, you're gonna use 5 drops of peppermint, 2 of RC or raven, 2 of lavender, and 2 of orange. So this is something that can be used, and it definitely helps you breathe easy. It has a nice smell as well. Then you can always do 5 drops of thieves and 3 to 5 drops of RC or raven, depending on what your preference is. So thieves and raven. Then if you kind of want a more sweet smelling and clean smelling, you could do lemon and rosemary mixed with raven or RC. Then if you want to help kind of a more of a relaxing blend, you can do raven, lavender, which is here, lavender, and cedarwood. So this is a great one when you're trying to take a shower to relax at night. Then the last one I have recipe for you is lavender, frankincense, and then RC, but it's not frankincense, RC or raven. So this is a good one to help support your respiratory system. So how do you use your diffuser? Let me show you. So let's do the lemon and rosemary one. So we're gonna do 2 drops, actually probably do 3 drops of lemon. So ready? 1, 2, 3, woo. Lemon goes really fast. And then we're going to do this one. Rosemary, it is actually this one. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna add RC. Sorry. Hey, boys, stop. There we go. All right. Then we're gonna add 2 of RC. 1, 2. And then, nope, we're not doing peppermint. We don't need peppermint. Okay, so then the lid goes on like this. And where's your piece?
Wait,
okay, let's put it on. All right, then you put this wonderful piece on here. Okay, careful, like this. And then you'll turn it on. You'll have to plug it in first, obviously. And then you turn it on and diffuse. And you can take a relaxing bath or put it in the, take a shower while it's going and try to relax with all of this. But I thank you for joining me. I hope you have a great week and we'll see you Friday. Bye. Say bye.